I was a single mom and doing it on my own. I had no education, no training in anything. I was scared. I needed something that could support me and the boys. I was just lost. My friend told me about Radiance, and when I walked into Radiance for the first time, I just remember Melanie being super cheerful, and she was like, if dental assisting is what you want to do, let's make it happen. Like, whatever we need to do, let's do it and get you in school and get you started. She told me about WorkSource, so I went over and applied. And it was just going there a couple times to fill out a couple different packets. And it was actually really easy. Soon enough, I got a call and they actually gave me a full ride scholarship. But I had to go check out a few more offices, and even after checking out the different offices, Radiance still stuck out to me because they were so friendly. Melanie was the one who was with me every step of the way. So the way the academy works is you have 2 days a week for school. One day is in the classroom and the next day is in the hands-on training with patients. I learn way faster if I'm doing it than if I'm just reading. Now that's like my favorite part of dental assisting, is actually working with the patients and getting to know each one and bonding with them throughout their appointments. Every instructor is awesome. No one's judgmental at all. I would get lost on certain tasks like how to position an x-ray, and Raj or Luda would come in and help me one-on-one and show me exactly how to place the x-ray. We'd just do it together, and after a couple times of doing that, I'd have it. So going to school, I have 2 boys, and I was struggling majorly before I started, and my car actually broke down halfway through the program, and I was like, oh my gosh, how am I going to get to school every night? I ended up borrowing a car from an employee at Radiance. No other school, I know for a fact, would have ever done that. By the 10th week, probably, I was feeling confident enough to start applying for jobs, so I did. And I ended up getting job offers, actually, like left and right. I think I got 5, and that gave me enough room to be able to be kind of picky and pick which one I thought would work out best for me, which was crazy because before all of this, you know, I had no education no training on anything, and to go from that to having job offers, I was like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Looking at my life now, working in an office that I absolutely love with a job that I absolutely love, I still look at Radiance as my family. I'm just so grateful for Radiance for getting me from no education, no training at all, to having and being successful at a job in an office that I love. And I just want to say thank you so much, Radiance Dental Assisting Academy, because I could not have done it without you guys. It changed my life, and it can definitely change your life.